couple of really old Home Life magazine publications. This one's from March 1911, and I thought I would scan a couple of the more interesting pages and make them available in my Etsy shop. So this is, there are two magazines in here that I separated out so I could fit them in my scanner. I tore the pages in half. This is one of the pages that I scanned. A lot of them are just interesting advertisements, and here's two pages that are also part of the digital kit. But they did scan really well, and the fashions were just so interesting. I wonder if women really looked like that in their dresses. But these were for patterns that you would make a dress at home. You'd order the pattern by number. And this is what the digitals, how they print out. They do fit pretty well on an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper with small borders on the sides. You'd be able to cut those off. You'd also be able to downsize these to whatever size you'd like to. They do fit to a page, but there will be some space at the bottom. And these are just the pages that I thought were more interesting to print. Some ads, advertisements, and one of the magazines was not as old and worn as the other one, but really the most interesting part would be the fashions and the patterns that you could purchase through this magazine. Super cute. And this page was for needleworkers, and so it was looks like patterns that you would embroider. I don't know how to embroider, but these are the most interesting. And they did scan really well. I scanned them in high resolution, so they came out really nicely. Especially when you shrink them down. They're originally about 11 by 14 inches per page. So the density is it's more dense the smaller you make it, so they came out very well, I think. But wouldn't that be fun in your junk journals as inserts or in collages? But that's what I've got. 11 pages of ads and patterns from 1910 and 1911.